Women are incredible. They are the ones who liberate their families. Do you agree? Let us know in the comment section. From taking that decision of changing their life, being a part of another family and growing it, adapting to it, and embracing the change in their lives that these additions will bring, they are always stretching their learning curves. Women always have the front seat to an abundantly overflowing life wherein growth takes place starting at their own home. Growth takes deliberate efforts. Just knowledge won't make growth happen, and implementing it to build something concrete out of it is commendable. Raising kids isn't an easy task. Parents are equally responsible in their child's development, but we have seen that mothers are dominant in this contribution. Ever thought what's the most difficult skill that you learn in a lifetime? It's how to walk and talk as infants. And who takes it up as a responsibility to teach an infant that? Of course, the parents, and most importantly, mothers. Have you seen any woman giving up on these basic skills that their child must learn? A woman pursues growth, especially when it's growth for her child. That sure means she has a growth mindset. It's just that in this process, she forgets to utilize that same mindset for her personal growth. Lead by example, it's not only to be used in corporate but in your real life. The growth mindset that you are helping your kids develop by training them on a new challenge every day and making them stretch their skills daily, giving them a dose of strength, knowledge, wisdom, resilience, and happiness. Have you forgotten to practice that for yourself? Kids take years to grow. It's not a one day activity or something that has a definite timeline. Growth happens at its own pace. It's slow at times and speeds up at others. Then why do you expect immediate changes in yourself? Taking small steps towards your goals and taking one day at a time is how you can begin. What does it take to grow? It starts with motivation. Want to grow is essential for growth. Discuss what you aim at. Surround yourself with people who encourage you in your growth journey. If you are starting after a break, you will need a large dose of motivation regularly. Motivation is exciting. If you don't get it from outside, reward yourself on achieving small targets and keep yourself motivated to work towards your goal. It builds on discipline. When you are low on motivation and you continue to work as per plan, that's discipline. Willpower alone can do wonders. Every day is not the same day, and on such days, be your own cheerleader. It might be exhausting. Give yourself a well deserved break and keep achieving your small targets. It feeds on habit. Habits are a result of motivation and discipline aimed at in the same direction. To create a habit, you need to know the goal you want to achieve and gather inspiration to achieve it. Maintain consistency by setting milestones and taking conscious actions towards them. This will make you act automatically over a period to make it your habit and lead you to the pathway to success. If you wish to start today, don't hesitate and reach out to us through comments or feel free to write to us at growwithus@amlearnings.com. We can help you develop a roadmap to your progressive life. I am Arpita, a legal professional and a mentor trainer for growth mindset. I come from a corporate background and have a decade of experience in people management with leading exchanges of India and a leading MNC to which I'm currently associated. If you like our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for regular